What if we told you that you possess an untapped reservoir of potential, a wellspring of ideas waiting to be explored? Would you believe that you hold the power to change the world, one innovative idea at a time? Creativity, the birthplace of all innovation and progress, lies dormant within each one of us, waiting to be awakened. Creativity is often shrouded in mystery, perceived as a divine gift bestowed upon a select few. But in reality, it is not. Creativity is the ability to produce original and valuable ideas. It is the key to solving complex problems, the spark that ignites innovation, and the fuel that drives progress. In essence, creativity is the art of seeing the world differently, connecting unrelated dots, and creating something new and valuable out of them. Whether you're a scientist discovering new frontiers, an artist painting a masterpiece, or a teacher designing innovative learning techniques, creativity is at the heart of it all. It is the magic ingredient that turns ordinary into extraordinary, the mundane into the magnificent. But how can one tap into this wellspring of creative potential? The answer lies in challenging old paradigms, breaking free from conventional thinking, and daring to step outside the comfort zone. It requires a willingness to make mistakes, learn from them, and continually evolve. In the pursuit of creativity, one must learn to see the world not as it is, but as it could be. To question the status quo, to dream and to dare, to embrace the unknown, to persist in the face of adversity, and to never stop exploring. In summary, creativity is not a gift, but a skill that can be nurtured and honed. It is the engine of innovation, the cornerstone of progress, and the key to unlocking our inner genius. It is within everyone's reach, waiting to be discovered, nurtured, and unleashed. So, next time you find yourself staring at a blank canvas, remember, the power to create, to innovate, to change the world lies within you. All you need to do is tap into it, and when you do, there will be no limit to what you can achieve. Remember, creativity is not a destination but a journey of discovery, exploration, and evolution. So embark on this journey, unleash your inner genius, and let your creativity soar.